This girl's gonna come tomorrow, so it is this one. I'm making her right now. Oh no, I will teach you how to make an Emojicat because she is smart. They made very good videos. So, there's only 2 bottles left. Huh? Oh, chocolate cake. Okay, I'll just get that. My daughter says she likes blueberries, so I'm gonna get to the other girl because the broken heart just says she doesn't like blueberries. She only wants chocolate cake. So I'm gonna go hold it right now.
Good?
Hey,
Good?
I got this.
There you go. There you go.
Oh my god.
That's a good boy.
I'm just holding it a little. Okay. So,
Good boy.
say, I just opened it.
Good boy. Good boy. Come on, Teddy.
Let me smell it. It smells very good, but it tastes like chocolate cake. Wait, I forgot to open the bottle.
Come on, Teddy. Come on, Teddy. Come on. Is that? Is it? Are you done? Are you full? Are you full? No food aggression, okay? You tired now?
Oh!
Are you tired? You tired? One more? One more? You good? Good, big boy?
Okay. Okay, I will fill it to the cup.
Okay. You tired now? Good. This one.
Huh?
There you go, big boy. Right here. Ready? Right here. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy.
Okay. Our phone isn't trash. Daddy, look at the dogs.
It's okay.
They're just playing.
Hey, stop it.
Okay, first blueberry. I'm gonna get it to the background because she was not listening. She was bad. She was not listening. I will begin.
Are you ready?
Hả? Đến đâu đến nào?
Tôi về đi không?
Yeah.
So she says she doesn't like blueberry. I'm gonna get her blueberry. It don't matter. Okay, time to put the bottles back. Be careful. This is poop and blood. Okay, let's throw this away. I put in the Christ kid. Come.
Close it! Come on. Do you remember when we first met and we went to that horrible part of town to buy you those dreadful clothes? And I was a little bit scared and you told me not to worry about it because you had my back. Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
And if anyone tried to get to me, you would have stopped them, right? When you and SJ were in that car wreck, what did you do to the airbag?
Ready?
Stopped it.
You stopped it. You stopped it. This team is your family, Michael. You have to protect them from those guys, okay? Listen.
Okay, here you go.